Molweni. Hello everybody. Hi. My name is Umamtolo Umamchenge Mabanekazi. Vumba lempongo liyanuka, nonkuna zothiwa. Fazo beli lide liwela ngaphaya, phesheya komlambo, Zulu khaya. I think I should stop there. But many call me Siviwe, ngoba siviwe isicelo sabazali bam nguThixo. Welcome back to African Xhosa ASMR. So in today's video, I wanted to drop some knowledge about something many of you guys who are not from South Africa probably know nothing about, and it will be your very first time hearing about this. Okay. Do you want to learn more about it? I think you do. Today I will be teaching you about what we as Xhosa people call Iziduko. Zulu people call it Izithakazelo. Clan names. In our culture, when a lady gets married, and in many other cultures around the world as well, once a lady gets married, they take on their husband's last name. And in the Xhosa culture, upon taking your husband's last name on your wedding day, when you're being welcomed in by the in-laws into your new family, you are also given a new first name. This is a name you are normally given by your mother-in-law or all of your in-laws. Now you have a new first name, as well as taking on your husband's last name. Your previous life and your previous identity is no more. So now, how can one trace or track their ancestry, or have a general idea of where they come from in terms of their family tree. Using the last name, it can be a bit tricky because there's so many people who have the same last name, but because they are unrelated, you can't quite put a finger on it and say that they belong in the same family or have the same ancestry as you. And once you get married, you now have a new identity, but how can you trace back your ancestry? Well, we have something called Iziduko. Iziduko, which means clan name. Your clan name never changes. It always stays the same. Your clan name as a child is what your father's clan name is. So you take upon your father's clan name, and once you get married and have kids, they will take on their father's clan name, and their kids get married and they take on their father's clan name. But it never ever changes. And this is what we call family tree, or a way of tracking your ancestry in the Xhosa culture in Africa. The Xhosa culture in Africa. My father is Tolo, that's T-O-L-O. I am Mam Tolo, or Tolukazi, after my father. If you are a man, you have the clan name, but if you are a lady, a woman, a girl, that clan name has Ma in the beginning or Kazi in the end. Once someone says Tolo, you know they're referring to a man, a boy, a male. Once they say Mam Tolo or Tolukazi, you know they are referring to a girl, a woman, or female. Today, I want to teach you more about clan names. More about clan names. All I need from you, yes, you, is to sit back, relax, and enjoy watching this video. Singachithanga xesha lide, masingene emxholweni. Without further ado, let's get started. I kind of researched for you guys what I will say to you. So here is the knowledge I'm dropping down to you. Iziduko, plural. Iziduko, singular. Iziduko sam, my clan name. Iziduko zethu, our clan names. So, Iziduko in Xhosa are family names that are considered more important than surnames or last names amongst the Xhosa people. Many Xhosa persons can trace their family history back to a specific male ancestor or stock. Why? Because it never changes. Get married or not, your clan name remains the same, and you can use it to track your ancestry. Mentioning a clan name of someone is the highest form of respect. And it is considered polite to inquire after someone's clan name on meeting. The clan name is also sometimes used as an exclamation by members of the clan. So, in our culture, using someone's clan name to greet them is considered respectful or an honorary like greeting. If you have done something great, something big, something amazing, when others congratulate you, they do so by using your clan names to greet you. For example, if I graduate or I built a house or I just fetched water from a river, my parents or family and friends would say, "Usebenzile mamtolo, usebenzile mamchenge, banekazi, vumba lempongo." They would say that, which means well done, using the clan name. And on graduation days in South Africa, you'd see people and families raising cloths and going like this on wedding days and like celebration ceremonies, going like this, raising and cloths like this, and only referring to the person they are celebrating with, using their clan names as a form of respect and exclamation. So that is what we do. And then it goes on to say, when a woman marries, she may take her husband's surname, but she always keeps her own clan name and adds the prefix ma to it, like I have previously mentioned to you guys. A man and woman who have the same clan name may not marry, as they are considered to be related. May be considered to be related. The funny thing is that you may move from one province or state to another province or state and meet someone who shares the same clan names as you, and you instantly click and become more like cousins or siblings because you share the same clan name. You are somewhat related, And upon people finding out each other's clan name, something switches, and they were like, Ungwasekhaya, 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 siyazalana, which means, oh my God, we're related. You are family. Even though before knowing that, they didn't seem to care. But once they find out, they get that instant connection to Iziduko clan names. Okay, so Xhosa names Iziduko are very, very important in the Xhosa culture in South Africa. They are used to identify someone's ancestry and lineage, and each claim has its own specific meaning and origin. Xhosa clan names are often used as surnames and are passed down from generation to generation to generation to generation. As a father, you may pass on your surname to your son, but when it comes to clan names, you pass it down to your sons and your daughters, because the daughters do not take upon the clan name of their husbands once they get married. There are a few clan names that I would like to mention, famous ones. The first famous one is Xhosa, C-I-R-H-A. Xhosa. If you are a woman, Maxhosa. Another one is Jola, or Umajola. Mpinga, Mampinga. Mpondo, Mampondo. Khadebe, Mahadebe. Some of the most prominent Xhosa clan names include Mpondo clan, which is named after Mpondo Kingdom in the Xhosa Eastern Cape province. And then we have Bele, Mambele or Bele clan, which is said to have originated from Mbele River in the Eastern Cape. And we also have Mkhize, Mamkhize clan, which is said to be descended from the Zulu people who settled in the Natal region. And then other Xhosa clans include Sigcawu clan, which claims to be descended from a royal house of the Amaxhosa, And then we have Ngcobo, the Ngcobo clan, which is said to have originated from Ngcobo Mountains in the Eastern Cape. There's a village called Ngcobo. Is it a village or a small town? Place called Ngcobo, which has Ngcobo Mountain in the Eastern Cape, and the Ngcobo clan. The Ngcobo clan. Xhosa clan names. Xhosa clan names. What did I say? I said Xhosa clan names are often used in formal introductions. Yes, formal introductions, and are an important aspect of Xhosa social etiquette. Xhosa social etiquette. They serve to establish relationships between individuals and communities, and to maintain a sense of identity and belonging. Overall, Xhosa clan names are an integral part. Shh, just wait for the car. Shh, just wait for the car. Overall, Xhosa clan names are an integral part of the culture's oral tradition and play a vital role in preserving the history and heritage of the Xhosa people. Of the Xhosa people. Of the Xhosa people. Now, I'm about to read a couple of clan names for you guys. Did you know about clan names? Benisazi Iziduko. Benisazi Iziduko. Did you know about clan names? Shh. As I'm about to read the clan names to you, let me just repeat myself. Clan names you take after your father's clan name, and it is a more important name than your surname. Sometimes people use their surnames as their clan names as well. For example, in the Zulu kingdom, you might find that you have someone who has a last name of Dlamini. 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 Dlamini is also a clan name. And if your surname is Dlamini, that's your surname, right? But if you are Dlamini and you are a lady, a girl, female, then your clan name is Madlamini. 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 You might not know anyone, you've never seen them ever in your life, and you're meeting them for the very first time. If you find out that you have the same clan name, that means you're related, your cousin, long lost cousins, long lost cousins. And it is very important when you're dating someone to inquire about their clan names, because it is forbidden to marry someone who shares the same clan name as you. At times there are people who do forcefully get married to people with the same clan names as them, but in our culture this is frowned upon, and at times you might not receive the blessings of the elders in the family if you retaliate and want to marry someone with the same clan names as you. So now, if you don't know anybody and you share the same clan name, you're practically family. Because in terms of ancestry, you have the same ancestors. So yeah, And once you get married, you take on a new first name, normally given to you by your mother-in-law or your in-laws, and a new last name, which is your spouse's last name, and then your clan name never changes. In a joyous celebration or something like a baby shower, a wedding, a graduation, a housewarming, anything like that, celebrating a new business venture, business success, birthday, anything like that. When you're being referred to as, you normally refer to as your clan name, using your clan name as a form of respect, exclamation, and pride, because they're so proud of you. So that is it. Masifunde iziduko ngoku. Masifunde iziduko zabantu. Let us read a couple of clan names for your viewing and relaxation pleasure. Amachawe, Omdange, Onkosi yamntu, Omncwangu, ngamachawe ke lawo. Esinye isiduko sithi amajwarha, omtimka, ojotela, okatiti, ombelu, ondabase, obantu abahle noba baphethe izikhali, Okay, and then amakwai, Nconde, Toku, Obulawi. Nindixolele uba ndisibize kakuhle iziduko zenu bethunana, nindixolele. Ongcondo nentshaba. And then we have amacirha, oncibane, omhlantla, okhawuta, omhlantla, oqhanqolo, sihlobo sikaphalo, wena sihlobo sikaphalo, mgcaleka. And then we have amankabane, oh amankabane, wena majeke mayeye. And then we have qocwa, Jojo. Oh, I've heard of the last name Jojo, so I guess this is where it's coming from. Oh, Jojo. Every Jojo that I know is very wealthy. Like the Jojo last name is a very wealthy last name. So, oh, Jojo ngoma qocwa, Zikhali Mazembe, Zikhali Mazembe, Mabombo, 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 Mabombo. And then we have Iti, 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 Ndinga, Ndinga. Nkomo ayizali, izala ngokuzaliswa. Orhadu, Rhadu, Rhadu, Rhadu. Unomsobodwana, Unomsobodwana, Unomsobodwana. And then we have Amagcina, 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 Xhamela, Amagcina, Xhamela. Helushe, Helushe, Ncancashe, Ncancashe. I know the last name Ncancashe as a surname, so yeah, Ncancashe. Nokwindla, Nokwindla, Nokwindla. Ndlelanga, 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 Ndlelanga. Nhlonipho, Nhlonipho, Nhlonipho. And then we have Qhudeni, Qhudeni, Umthembu. Umthembu is a very famous, like, royal, is it royal though? Like, Umthembu is also a famous, like, last name. I've heard of it. Qhudeni, Qhudeni, Umthembu, Umthembu. Thukela, Uthukela, Uthukela. Uqhudeni, Uqhudeni. Ugoza, Ugoza, Ugoza. Umpafane, Umpafana. Umkhubukane, 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 Umkhubukane. And then we have Maya, Maya, Maya. Oh Maya, oh Maya. Oh Yem Yem, oh Yem Yem. I like that part. Oh Yem Yem, oh Sopitso. Oh Magwa, oh Magwa. Oh Bomoi, oh Bomoi, oh Bomoi. And then after that we have Mpangela, Mpangela. We have Mpangela, we have Mpangela, Mpangela. Mvinjwa, Omvinjwa, Omvinjwa. Odlazi, Dlomo. Okay, so they come from here. Odlomo. Dlomo is a very famous last name and clan name. That's Madlomo. So Madlomo basuka Mpangela, Mpangela, Dlomo, Dlazi, Sibeto, Sibeto, Magwala. Mpangela, Mpangela. Mvinjwa, Mvinjwa. Dlazi, Dlomo, Dlomo. Sibeto, Usibeto. Magwala, Magwala. I'm just like thinking, Isibeto is not a good thing. I'm just like thinking, Isibeto is not considered a good thing. Ukubeta is to strike someone, and Isibeto is not a good thing. It's someone who carries hardships, and because you can remember, like, striking someone who's not at peace because they're constantly being stricken upon. And then it says Magwala. Magwala. Igwala is a coward. It's someone who's like scared and they always run away. And Ligwala. So I'm just like thinking about this. So guys, from the Mpangela clan, do you mind explaining? Yeah. And then after that we have Mpemvu, Mpemvu, Mpemvu. Ojali, Ojali. I know the last name Majali. Ojali. Ojuda. Unxiva. And then after that we have Zima. Zima is sopitso, bomoyi, vela bambenzele, and that is it. And then we have amabomvane. Famous clan name kumabomvane is Gebe, which is Ngebe or Hegebe. And then we have Chezi, Uchezi, Utenza, Ufakade, okanye ufakade, Ujalamba, Usaliwa, Uskhabela, Uneneza, Inkonjane emnyama ebhabhe muffin, Inkonjane emnyama ebhabhe muffin. Inzwana zakwabomvana, izinto ezinomkhitha kodwa zimithondo emide. I like that one. And then we have Pondoland. Iziduko zasemampondweni ezamampondo. We have Nyauza, fakayo, ungathi uyifakile kanti uyikade eboyeni, mpondo. And then after that we have amantlane, mfusana, gxididi, ndendela. And then after that we have amazangwa, onquthu, onkuma, sohobese. And then after that I think we should do the last one. What should we do for the last one? The one from Amampondomise. I just want to do a clicking one. Let's see if we have a clicking one. We have amaqhinebe, oqhinebe, onqunqu, qhinebe, zithonga zithathu, which means 3 sounds.